In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the DocuSign app in 2024 to sign documents effortlessly and efficiently. If you've ever found yourself overwhelmed with paperwork or simply want to harness the power of electronic signatures to speed up your workflow, this guide is just for you. We're stepping into a more digital future, and DocuSign puts you at the forefront by simplifying how you manage agreements. First, start by heading over to the DocuSign website. It's your central hub for everything related to electronic signatures and agreement management. Once you're on the website, look for the Login button, which should be prominently displayed. Clicking on this will take you straight to the login page. Here, you'll need to enter your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily sign up by following the prompts for new users, which is very intuitive. Once logged in, you'll arrive at the DocuSign homepage. This space serves as your main dashboard, offering a bird's eye view of your account and activities. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with its layout. It's designed to be user-friendly, allowing you to access necessary features quickly. Now, the next step is to navigate to the admin section. This area is crucial as it gives you access to administrative tools and settings, ensuring you can manage your account and preferences effectively. Once you're in the admin section, find the option that says Apps and Keys. By clicking here, you'll be diving into the space where you can manage various integrations and key settings for your DocuSign account. This is particularly useful if you're looking to streamline processes or integrate with other software tools you might be using. Keep in mind that making changes here can impact how DocuSign interacts with other apps, so proceed thoughtfully. Remember, DocuSign is more than just a tool for signing documents. It's a comprehensive suite that allows you to manage, send, and monitor your documents with ease. As you navigate through these steps, take a moment to explore additional features and resources on the DocuSign platform. Whether it's setting up template documents for frequent use or exploring advanced automation features, there's a lot that can enhance your document management experiences. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through the essential steps of using DocuSign in 2024, making document signing and management a breeze. Take time to explore further, and soon you'll be a pro at leveraging this powerful tool for all your document needs. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide empowers you to utilize DocuSign to its fullest potential. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights and guides on mastering tools like DocuSign and transforming your workflow.